Apply an earthy oil color to the back of the drawing. Do not dilute the paint and use oil paint straight from the tube. To apply the paint, it is necessary to have a solid brush, preferably bristle brush. Attach the artwork to the canvas or board, to avoid movement and displacement during transfer. A self-adhesive paper tape can be used for this purpose. Simply draw all the contours with a red or blue pen. The color of the pen tells you which part of the image is already transferred. Carefully remove the original drawing. The transferred artwork will remain on the canvas or board, which will be a great guide for further work.